to our channel. Making a video. Our channel.
Hey,
Hey.
tell them your name.
Hi, I'm Lynette. Welcome to our channel.
All right.
Our channel's called sometimes one, but sometimes all.
All right, what are you boys gonna do?
We're going to play monsters with monster trucks, but not racing.
All right, you gonna bring me your trucks and show them who you brought today?
For the first day. Zombie. Gravedigger for the first day.
Okay.
2 zombies and Megalodon.
Wait, hold on. We have Megalodon,
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger,
2 zombies.
Blue
My
Thunder,
Zombie.
Zombie.
I have a zombie, but I'm hiding.
This is Ollivander, and he has El Toro Loco and Hot Wheels.
Mom, I hid my zombie. I hid my zombie.
Did you hide him outside here already?
Yeah.
Mm.
He has it. But you have to hide your zombie. I got
Lennox is unable to find Griffin's zombie. He must have hit it really good.
Wait, let's just play, every time we should do, we hide our monster trucks and you try and find them.
Okay, let's see.
But the other team finds them.
Lennox, your goal is to find Griffin's zombie.
No, and the other two, since they're not hid yet.
Oh, well, go ahead.
He's not allowed to look. Don't let him look.
Okay, come here, Lennox. Come here. Hey, Lennox, come here. Come here, Lennox. Please. We're going to count while Griffin hides. Come here.
Oh, I didn't hide this.
Okay, you can't hide yours when we're done with Griffin's, okay? Let's count. What should we count to?
17.
17?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
19, 20. What's the AP good?
He's not ready and you didn't count to 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
14,
13, 14, 15, 16. We're not peeking. We're not peeking. Lenny. How's it going, Griffey?
Stop showing me. Stop showing me.
All right,
No,
Lennox.
first thing he has to hide is.
Okay, Griffin, come here.
But he cannot start looking. I have my eye shut.
Okay. The camera's on. If you open them, we'll see it. Oh, gosh. I found something.
Don't tell one.
There it is.
Don't tell one.
Okay.
Okay, I'm done.
All right.
Okay, we can start looking. You guys, find your zombie. Watch, your pile's over there. My pile's on the bench. No, he found it. Great digger.
Lennox found Gravedigger.
Where is John? Do you know a blue bundle? Yep. Okay. Where is the
I don't know. Look around. Ollie, what are you doing?
I'm gonna tell you guys where I hid it. I hid one behind the I'm not doing it. I hid one behind the you give me a hit. Zombie. Give me a hit. One. Give me a hit.
Can we give him one hit?
There's one over there.
Can I? He already found. How many did you bring, Griff?
3.
Oh, you have 3.
I found his red.
Can I give him a hint for one, Griffey?
Yeah.
One of them.
One's over there.
One of them is touching something green.
No, he already found that.
Excuse you.
Something green.
It's touching something green. So what do you see that's green here? Oh, goodness, bless you. Okay, well, you better look around the grass and the trees then. Ollivander, come back. That's not our mailbox. Come back.
It's a church's mailbox.
He's looking hard.
I think I was pulling it.
You think you have a splinter?
Oh.
Oh.
Don't.
I'm glad you don't. Is he gonna find it?
Probably. I'll show you one.
It's been about 5 minutes so far and he hasn't found 2 of yours. Lenny, did you find the one touching green? Megalodon! Alright, you found 2. Griff's got 1 more to find. The one that's touching green. I gave you a good hint. Can you find the zombie?
Let me look on this swing.
Well, the swings aren't green. You're not using your cue.
Over there. Oh, where? Where? It is over there. Give me another. It is.
Oh. You got it.
Now I got.
Good job.
You've been watching Catch Us Next Time.